Well, if today's a day you were thinking about buying, it'd be a good day. Today's a huge down day on Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, cryptos in general, Wall Street's down 878. Bitcoin is down, I don't know, 4 or 5,000 or so itself. Let me take a look here. It is down almost 5,000, 4,900 right now. And that's recovered a little bit. And it's all based on just simple, typical fear. All right, here we go. It's on the Trump has obviously upped his tariff warning on China for massive tariff increases. He's the ultimate negotiator, so he's going to always put out and make it seem way worse than it is. So he's pushing the tariffs, threatening China, because China was pushing back. China needs us, kind of need them too to make a lot of the products we want, but we don't have to have them. They are 100% relying on us. So we have the upper hand on them. They can sell to the rest of the world nowhere near what they're going to get from us. The rest of the world wants to think they're relevant. Europe, you're irrelevant, and economically, you're irrelevant, and it's your own fault. But anyway, let's get into why this is such a big deal. And it's not a big deal, but why it's hammering the markets like it is. The threat of big tariffs coming on obviously is enough to throw markets in turmoil. Shouldn't go to the level it is. Tomorrow will probably be a nice green day adjustment to today. So if you're looking to buy, today be a day to buy, tomorrow probably a day to sell in cryptos or in stocks. Gold and silver, haven't looked to see how they're reacting, but I imagine they're probably okay. When you get turmoil like this, they generally do pretty well. But yeah, this would be a good little check back, a little push down for Bitcoin, which is good, and which might give its next driver up. That's my anticipation. I think we'll get a nice driver up to at or near Bitcoin all-time highs next week. Be my guess that it'll get to a new all-time high and then hopefully continue and push through that 130 number and get to the 140 number where you'll see a lot of resistance. And but over the next 2 months, we should really push through and set the all-time highs, whether that's 135, 140, 145, 150, 152, 155, who knows. But that's where we're heading right now. This is just temporary noise. I wouldn't focus too much on it. Obviously, it is enough to really drastically affect the markets because markets don't like uncertainty, and this creates uncertainty when you have two of the biggest powers in the world fighting about tariffs and how much they're willing to pay or not pay. But it will be a factor, but it's temporary. So if you're looking to buy, probably a good time to buy. Tomorrow might be a good time to sell and take some profits. I personally am doing nothing. I'm just sitting tight holding, and we'll see where it goes. I don't anticipate this is going to be too big of a stink, but it could be. And But it's nothing really to worry about too much. And let's see what else we got wild here in the markets. Just before I close things out, I don't think we have anything too much here. Let's share this tab. Here we go. So Bitcoin at 116,773 right now. You saw it dipped down into the close to 15. Yeah, almost 115. 16 seems to be strong resistance right now. 118 was strong resistance until it hit with the tariff news. But no biggie. We should be moving up probably in the next day or so. Some highs 126, so I expect we'll push out again within next week, and that's 9,000 more than it is right now. So look for some nice rebounds here. And it's pretty much all I got here for the update. I don't want to hold you on too long here. But now is a good time to buy. If you're thinking about buying cryptos, you want to buy when the market's like this, when there's blood in the streets and red days, and you want to sell it when there's euphoria and when you have a lot of green candles going on. And we don't have too many green candles. We have a few. I think NEAR has gone up. There's a few others that have gone up as well. You're going to always have the meme coin mania that's going on there. Some of them shooting up just because they get such low market cap. The price can go up and down unbelievably quick. The volatility is insane. But it's a down day, and we'll have updates probably in the weekend here going into next week. We'll see. But I mentioned in the next 2 to 3 weeks, we're going to break Bitcoin's all-time high and keep pushing up. And then hopefully we'll start to see the semblance of alt season.